No, I have to turn her. That.
Good girl, Gracie.
I still haven't gotten a video of it. I've been doing this for like 2 weeks.
Good girl.
I love it. They'll go laps around this thing. Grace goes until she's so tired she can hardly do it anymore, and then she gets mad.
Grace, you are such a good girl. Yay, Gracie. Yay, Gracie. Can we clap? My sister? That's so good.
She's like proud of herself.
Grace, you just move along, don't you? Look at that.
She'll just keep going until you can tell she's just exhausted.
So cute. All of a sudden, she could just do it? What?
Yeah, I don't know. Was it all of a sudden we just gave it a try one day and they just did it? Yeah.